cringy, but I don't care. We've got to hurry before I run out of storage. We're going to run. Ready? That's a feeding area for our horses. Here's some chickens.
Go a little slow.
Hurry up. Please. Ramsey, slow poke. Chickens.
Just go a little slower.
You're not fine. I'm going to be recording now. Those are some chickens. That's Ramsey. This is me. Are you ready? Okay. That's a granny flat. It's like a little house.
We have enough storage.
And it's a recorder. You're disgusting. Anybody could have touched that. Some feed areas. It's like over here is like a giant sand pit. It's like, but we used it for horses. So yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Our puppy, Dusty Hunter. That's Dusty. That's Hunter. Alright, that's water tank, our house, side of the house. I'm going to keep going around here. Good tree to climb up with pine cones. A hiding spot. In case you want to hide in there. The front of our house. You'll never find me. That caravan coming around to the other side. That's where we're kicking football and a bonfire. Oh, trees, some cars, a really expensive horse float, bins, bushes, basketball ring, a tiny little slide over there that we don't use anymore. I'll try to zoom into it. And as we run around here, that's also a good time. This is our big garage.
Cool cable things on there.
And this is where we started. So I'm sorry this had to be quick, but we might have run out of storage. So see you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.